Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this nice stuff here. Comes by FUNWICT Ski Helmet for man and for woman. Adjustable ski helmet with 12 ventilation opens, with a removable inner lining and a near cushions. It's lightweight snowboard helmet for winter sports or for bicycle. It's available in silver and in black on the market, and in two sizes: medium size from 55 to 58 centimeter, or for L for large from 59 to 61 centimeters. It's breathable and temperature regulation, with that 12 ventilation holes, including a true lockable vents for an optimal air circulation and a pleasant climate in any weather. It's either as a ski helmet for man or a ski helmet for woman. And you can go with it a nice ventilation while you are riding your skis, while you're riding your snowboard or something else. And it also makes a good job, because the ventilation is really important that you do not overheat it. And it's lightweight and impact resistant. The robust PC outer shell, combined with the sharp absorbing EPS inner core of this black ski helmet, is for a reliable protection with a low weight that's ideal for long ski days. And individually ski goggle holder. It's an integrated goggle holder for the ski helmet, which is reliable, fixes the ski goggles of us even on a fast descent or jumps. And individually adjustable fit with the adjustable size wheels for a secure and comfortable fit. It's suited for different head sizes. As a unisex ski and snowboard helmet, the size can be M for teenagers, or the size can be L for adult men and women. And we have a removable lining and an ear pads. Soft moisture wicking lining on the removable ear pads of the black ski helmet for men and women provide the warmth in cold days, or more ventilation in warmer weather. Easy to clean too. And of course, it makes sports life easier with that. Robust, light and comfortable. Perfect for a skiing adventure. We get ready and experience the thrill of the winter sports with FUNWICT. The ski helmet for man makes a good job to brave the snowy wilderness with confidence and comfort. We can make this easy peasy because the wheel is easy on the backside. We can open the hole to make a good ventilation. It's breathable. We have a goggle holder. And we have an inner lining and ear pads on top. All this is possible with the FUNWICT Ski Helmet for man and for woman. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!